to topic 28, title is Evaluating Algebraic Expressions. So here, we have a presence of variables na. So katulad ng simplifying numerical expressions, the process of evaluating algebraic expressions is also the same. We will follow the Gemda's rule if you don't forget the rule. So in evaluating algebraic expressions, to evaluate an algebraic expression means to substitute the given specific values for the variables and then simplify the resulting numerical expression. So here, magkakaroon tayo ng substitution process na kung saan yung given value for the variables will be substituted para makuha natin yung final numerical expression. Example. We have 3x minus 2y plus 4 if x is equal to negative 2 and y is equal to negative 4. So this is our given. Again, we have 3x minus 2y plus 4 if x is equal to negative 2 and y is equal to negative 4. In evaluating algebraic expressions, yung rule dito is to substitute the value of your variables. So in this case, meron tayong presence of x which is equal to negative 2 and y which is equal to negative 4. So, papalitan lang natin lahat ng x in our numerical expression, algebraic expressions rather, which is 3x minus 2y plus 4. Yung x magiging negative 2, yung y magiging negative 4. So, let's copy first the expression, that is 3x minus 2y plus 4. We have the conditions, yung x magiging negative 2 again, and yung y magiging negative 4. Thus, the expression becomes 3 times negative 2 again, yung x magiging negative 2, at yung y magiging negative 4. So we have 3 times negative 2 minus 2 times negative 4 plus 4. By the way, the operation of 3x is multiplication. 3x simply means you are going to multiply 3 by x. Ganon din yung case ng 2y. You need to multiply 2 by y. Proceed. So, Gemda's rule tayo. M dash, multiplication first, that is to operate 3 times negative 2 and multiply 2 times negative 4. And the answer is, okay, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. 2 times negative 4, that is negative 8. Copy the negative sign here, or operator, and bring down the plus 4. So after this, we need to operate the addition or subtraction. Again, from left to right. So we will subtract negative 6 by negative 8. After getting the difference, we need to add by 4. So we have, okay, so I did simplify first here. Negative minus negative 8 is also the same as plus 8. Negative, negative, we have positive. So I did simplify. They are still the same. Negative 6 minus negative 8 is also the same as negative 6 plus 8. So now proceed to addition or subtraction. Again from left to right. So we need to add first the negative 6 by 8. Then after getting the sum, we need to add it by 4. Negative 6 plus 8 is equal to positive 2 plus 4, that is positive 6. Hence, 3x minus 2y plus 4 if x is equal to negative 2 and y is equal to negative 4. The answer is 6. Another one. We have a squared minus 2ab minus 3b squared if a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 5. Copy the expression, which is a squared minus 2ab minus 3b squared. By our conditions, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 5. That means we need to substitute a with 2 and b with 5. So lahat ng a magiging 2, lahat ng b magiging 5 in our expression. And thus, the expression becomes the square root of 2 minus 2 times your a, which is 2, times b, which is your 5, minus 3 times the square of b, which is 5. Kaya naging ganito na siya. Then we will follow the Gemda's rule. Groupings, okay, wala tayong groupings. Meron tayong exponent, that is 2 squared, and we have also the 5 squared. So we need to operate that one first. And the square root of 2 is equal to 4. Bring down, bring down, bring down, bring down. And the square root of 5 is equal to 25. Kaya naging 4 minus 2 times 5 minus 3 times 25 siya. After this, proceed tayo sa multiplication. Since wala naman tayong division here. So ano yung i-multiply natin here? That is 2 times 5, and also in part of 3 times 25. So bring down natin yung 4 minus, we have 2 times 2, 4 times 5, that is 20. Kaya naging 20 siya dito. Here also multiplication, 3 times 25, that is 75. And finally, subtraction part. 4 minus 20 is negative 16. So 4 minus 20, negative 16. Magiging negative 16 na to. Then minus 75. The final answer is negative 91. Therefore, a squared minus 2ab minus 3b squared, if a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 5, is equal to negative 91. We have 2m plus 3n times 2m minus 3n. If m is equal to 1/2 and n is equal to 1/3. So copy first the algebraic expression. That is 2m plus 3n times 2m minus 3n. So again, the only rule when evaluating algebraic expression is to substitute lang. Conditions natin, yung m magiging 1/2, yung n magiging 1/3. So papalitin natin lahat ng m dito with 1/2, lahat ng n magiging 1/3. Thus, the expression becomes 2 times 1/2, which is your m, plus 3 times 1/3, which is your n, times the quantity of 2 times your m, 1/2, minus 3 times the n, which is 1/3. So, medyo nakakalito siya kasi madaming parentheses, but it's not. Then we will proceed to groupings. Yung groupings natin is ito. Meron tayong dalawang groupings here. We have the 2 times 1/2 plus 3 times 1/3. And we have also another groupings of 2 times 1/2 minus 3 times 1/3. Next sa dot is exponent. Wala tayong exponent. Proceed tayo sa multiplication or division. So here, sa first grouping natin, yung 2 times 1/2 is also the same as 2 over 2, or that is 1. So yung 2 times 1/2 is 1, plus, eto, we need to multiply 3 and 1/3. 3 times 1/3 is 3/3, or that is simply 1. That is our first groupings na. So the value of this is 1 plus 1. Next grouping, multiply. 2 times 1/2 is 2 halves, or that is 1. Then we have also the 3 times 1/3, which is the same as 3/3, or that is simply 1. So this is our second groupings. The value of 2 times 1/2 minus 3 times 1/3 is 1 minus 1. Then we will operate each groupings. So yung isang grouping mag-a-add tayo, yung isang grouping magma-minus tayo. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then we have 1 minus 1, that is 0. So after getting the sum and the difference of each group, we need to multiply na. So 2 times 0 is 0. Thus, 2m plus 3n times the quantity of 2m minus 3n, if m is equal to 1/2 and n is equal to 1/3, is 0. Simple as that. So, hindi naman ganun ka-complicated yung mathematics. Okay, another example. So, evaluate a is equal to 1/2 base times height. If b is equal to 8, then h is equal to 13. Let's copy first the equation, which is a is equal to 1/2 base times height. If we will recall this area, so, anong area to? Kaninong area to? This is the area of triangle. So in order to get the area of triangle, simply multiply base and height and get half of the product. So the rule again, when evaluating algebraic expression, is substitution now. Yung b natin magiging 8, yung h natin magiging 13. This is our conditions. So by substitution, our area becomes 1/2 times b, which is your 8, times h, which is your 13. What I did is I multiply 8 and 13, and the answer is 104. 8 times 13 is equal to 104. After getting the product of 8 and 13, multiply it by 1/2, or get the half of 104, or 104 divided by 2. And 100 times 1/2 is 52. Thus, area is equal to 52 if B is equal to 8 and H is equal to 13. Example. So find the perimeter of two length 2L plus 2W if L is equal to 13.2 and W is equal to 7.9. Copy first the perimeter, which is 2L plus 2W. Again, recall natin, this is what? Anong perimeter ito? This is the perimeter of rectangle that is getting twice of its length and twice of its width. The combination of twice of its length and twice of its width. So, substitution, yung L magiging 13.2, yung W magiging 7.9. The perimeter becomes 2 times L, which is 13.2, plus 2 times W, which is 7.9. Jamda's rule, wala tayong groupings, wala tayong exponent. Let's proceed to multiplication. So multiply natin yung 2 and 13.2. The answer is 26.4. We'll bring down the plus sign. 2 times 7.9 is equal to 15.8. So this is our new perimeter. Then, final operation is addition. 26.4 plus 15.8, the answer is 42.2. Hence, perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2W if L is equal to 13.2 and W is equal to 7.9 is equal to 42.2. So that's how we evaluate algebraic expressions. For the next topic, topic 29, let's talk about the loss of exponent.